Hello everyone. Next we're going to be drawing a natural scenery. So first draw a curve in the side as shown and add branches and trees to this setting. Now on the other side without the curve, draw another tree there and you can choose a different type of tree. On top, draw some mountains or some hills, and where the other tree once was, add another curve to signify another portion of land. On the top, add sun, birds and fill in the water and the rest. Next, like the opening and closing Peppa Pig, we're going to draw an opening and closing and hatching egg. So fold over a piece of paper, and when you open it, draw the cracked portion of the egg. However, when it is closed, draw a full circle or oval to signify an uncracked egg. In the open portion, add the body of the little chick and add the eyes, a cute little nose, and the feathers and anything else you may like. Now you have your opening and closing egg that has hatched. Next, draw numbers again starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will be drawing different vegetables out of this. As you can see with numbers 0 and 1, we have made ovular shapes and made radish and a pickle as such. On number 2, we will be making a tree-like shape figure, except this is broccoli. On number 3, we will be making 2 carrots. Draw 2 ovular shapes and then add lines within the ovular shapes to make it look like the lines of a carrot. On number 4, make another ovular shape and add checks to this ovular shape. We will be making nails, and this is how it will turn out. On number 5, use the top to make it look like a branch, and on the curved portion, make a circle to make it look like the actual cherry. Now color it in as you wish, and there you have it. So for our next drawing, we will be using the shape of a hand to draw the face of a person and the hair of the person as well. Draw multiple heart shapes on top to signify the bun of the girl that we will be drawing. Then add big white eyes and add a mouth and color in the eyes to make it look like glistening eyes. Then draw the rest of the body and the rest of the hair. Give her long hair. Then add the shoulders and add a dress for her to wear. Add a cute little top with a sweetheart neckline and then color it in as you wish. Thank you for watching.